Hi, this is Ralph Moss. Do you know what the main source of antioxidants is for most Americans? I'm sitting here drinking my green tea with lemon, so you might think I have a prejudice in favor of tea, but actually it's coffee. Coffee is about 7 times a greater source of antioxidants for most Americans and most, I guess, countries where coffee is also consumed very widely. And the amazing thing is that coffee, which has a very bad reputation, as you know, in health food circles, actually is a very good source of reducing oxidative stress. The more coffee you drink, basically, the less of these free radicals that you have. The benefits of 1 cup are lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes by 7%, according to a review that covered over 500,000 people. 2 cups will support a healthy mood. One of the odd findings is that if you drink 2 cups of coffee a day, you reduce the risk of committing suicide by 60% in women. 3 cups help maintain a healthy liver and gallbladder and reduce the risk of gallstones by 20%. But if you're pregnant, you shouldn't drink more than 2 cups because that also increases the risk of miscarriages. At 4 cups, you cut the risk of stroke by 43% in women who have never smoked. And it also cuts the risk of type 2 diabetes, lowers blood sugar. Then we get up into the stratosphere, if you will. 5 cups reverses some of the signs of Alzheimer's disease in laboratory animals, and 6 cups will lower the risk of advanced prostate cancer in a large study of 50,000 men. You might think that a darker roast is actually better, but what you need and want are the antioxidants that are in the coffee, and the darker, the harder you roast those beans, the less antioxidants there's going to be. Now, it's my policy, generally speaking, not to endorse products by name, but there are some products, rare products on the market that are roasted in such a way as to not to lose the antioxidants that are in the roast. And one of those, or 2 of those actually, come from Life Extension Foundation, to which I am an unpaid scientific advisor. So there's a conflict alert, if you will. I don't get any benefit. They don't even know that I'm recording this, but just want to let you know that. I do drink that brand, the Life Extension brand. It's remarkably mild, even in the caffeinated version. I drink both the caffeinated and the non-caffeinated version, and it has very few, for me at least, and for many other people, very few of the undesirable side effects of coffee, such as jitteriness or stomach upset, all of which I got when I drink, or I do get when I drink most commercial brands of coffee. So there's my unsolicited little promotion, if you will, for Life Extension coffee. But if you can find other brands that are reliably preserving the antioxidants in the process of roasting, by all means, try them as well. Well, for the YouTube Cancer Decisions channel and the CancerDecisions.com video blog, this is Ralph Moss.